All right, let's dive right in. Over the next few minutes, we're going to break down the absolute simplest way to get real value. I'm talking hundreds of dollars back in your pocket from money you're already spending anyway. Consider this your easy-to-follow guide to credit card rewards for 2026. So let me just ask you this straight up. What if you could get back anywhere from $200 to $750 this year just for buying your usual stuff? Groceries, gas, you name it. Well, the answer is a big yes, and that's the whole point of having a smart, simple reward strategy.
And you know that top number, 750? That's not some crazy out-of-reach figure for the pros. It's totally achievable, and honestly, you can often hit that in just the first few months with the right card. Okay, so let's tackle that $750 question head-on. How do you actually turn your everyday spending into real, tangible value without any of the risks?
First, you gotta shift how you think about this. The best way to look at rewards is to see them as a powerful discount. I mean, with the cost of everything going up, this isn't just free money. It's a straight-up discount on your life.
Think about it like this. On one side, you've got the rising costs of things you have to buy. Groceries, gas, maybe a trip here and there. But on the other side, you have a built-in discount. Just by using the right card, you're getting between 1.5% to as much as 5% back on those exact costs. It's a really simple way to fight back a little.
So, how do you earn these rewards? For beginners, it really just boils down to 3 simple ways. You can get a flat cash back rate on literally everything you buy. You can get a much higher percentage back, but only in specific categories. Or you can go for a big, one-time welcome bonus that can be worth hundreds of dollars right off the bat. Which, of course, brings us to the big one, choosing your very first rewards card. And listen, the goal here isn't to find the best card in the world. It's about finding the best card for you and your life.
To make things super simple, it really all comes down to one question. Which path feels right for you? Are you all about simplicity, something you can just set and forget? Or are you willing to play the game a little, use a little strategy to get the maximum rewards?
Let's look at path number 1, the set and forget path. This is for you if you just want easy, consistent rewards without having to think about it. No bonus categories to track, no dates to remember, absolutely nothing to manage. Just swipe and earn. And for this path, the choice is honestly so simple. You've got cards like the Citi Double Cash or the Wells Fargo Active Cash. Both give you a flat 2% cash back on everything you buy, and they usually don't have an annual fee. They are pretty much the gold standard for easy, consistent rewards.
Okay, now for pathway 2, the strategic spender. This is perfect for anyone who kind of enjoys optimizing things, who likes getting the absolute best deal, and wants to maximize the value from every dollar they spend.
A classic example here is the Discover It Cashback card. This one offers a massive 5% back on categories that change every few months, like gas stations or restaurants. And the best part? Discover usually matches all the cash back you earn in your first year. Now the catch is, you do have to remember to activate those new categories each quarter.
Chase has a couple of fantastic options here too. The Freedom Flex is kind of like the Discover card, with those 5% rotating categories. But the Freedom Unlimited, well, that's a brilliant hybrid. It gives you a solid 1.5% back on everything, plus bonus rewards on things like dining. And both of these usually come with a nice welcome bonus of around $200. But wait, there is a third strategic option that can sometimes deliver the most value of all, especially if you've got a trip coming up, and that is the Beginner Travel Card. This is where you see those really huge welcome bonuses, like 75,000 points. Beginner travel cards from Chase or Capital One offer these big point bundles after you spend a certain amount. And those points, yeah, that's how you get to that $750 we talked about. Sometimes even more, when you redeem them for travel.
And trust me, the process is way simpler than it sounds. Step 1, you earn the bonus just by making your normal planned purchases. Step 2, you go to the bank's website and use their travel portal to redeem your points. And Step 3, you book your trip and use those points to pay for flights or hotels. It's a super direct path from your spending to an actual vacation.
Okay, I need you to lean in for this next part because it is absolutely crucial. No matter which card, which path you choose, there is one golden rule. And if you follow it, this whole system works for you. If you break it, it works against you. And here it is, plain and simple. If you carry a balance from one month to the next, the interest you pay will completely wipe out all of your rewards, every single time. The interest rates on these cards are incredibly high, and they will always cost you more than any rewards you could possibly earn.
So the playbook for winning this game is really simple. Do pay your balance in full every single month, no exceptions. Do match the card to your real existing spending habits. And please, avoid carrying a balance and never ever overspend just to hit a bonus. Just remember this, the goal is to get rewarded for your budget, not to break your budget for rewards.
So let's wrap this up. What is the one key takeaway? What's the single most important idea to remember from all this?
It's this. When you use them the right way, credit card rewards are basically a side hustle that pays you for living your life without you having to do any extra work. It's one of the easiest ways to squeeze real value out of the budget you already have. So the final question really is for you. Now that you've seen the options, the simple 2% card, the strategic 5% card, or that high-value travel card, which one of them truly fits your spending? Answering that one question for yourself is the first step to getting paid for the life you're already living.